Hey everybody, how's it going? So I went to Home Depot, went looking for some Ryobi tools, ended up picking up some gardening things. So it's a little garden haul, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? So before we get started, please like, comment, and subscribe for future updates. Smush the bell notification icon. So I went to Home Depot. I went to like probably 8 or 9 Home Depots yesterday. Ended up picking up some Ryobi stuff. That's what I was actually looking for. I was looking for the particular iron, soldering iron from Ryobi, which was the $79 unit. Ended up having to go 140 miles one way just to find one, which I had called a bunch of stores while I was at one store. But so I ended up picking up several different things that I was looking for. I just happened to come across this at one of the stores. The reason this is in its own video is because this is actually one receipt. So these are $20 a piece, but they were on sale for $4 a pack. I went and grabbed 5 because that's all they had left was 5. That was 20 bucks right there instead of $100. And these are just little, they're Burpee brand 72 cell seed starting greenhouse kits. They have the little, it's got a greenhouse dome retainer, moisture improved germination, natural coconut fibers, super growing pellets, these little round pellets. It's kind of hard to see. There you go, those little round pellets. Figured that after the pellets are gone, my wife can continually use these plastic containers until they're not usable. It's kind of just a surprise for my wife. When she saw them, she was ecstatic when she saw them. I told her that they were $100, and then I made the joke out of it and I said, "But I got them for 20." It was just thought she would like them. She was happy to see them, and she uses containers like this a lot. My wife actually purchased like a 360 count of one of these containers. It has 360 something holes, but it's not this really cheap plastic. It's actually really thick plastic, but for $4 I wasn't going to pass them up. I ended up going to a different store, which is my normal store. So this store is the Warner store I got these at, and this is a mileage may vary thing. I went to 7, 8, 9, maybe more stores yesterday. Not a single another Home Depot had these items, but so 2 items at one, 2 items at another, and 1 item at another, and 1 item at that one. So I bought a total of 4 different things at 4 different stores. 2 stores had 2 items a piece, 1 store had one item, and then this one. But just a quick video. That's a little tiny garden haul. If you've ever used this Burpee brand, hey, leave comments on my channel for gardening. As well as you guys, I will put a card up here for my wife's channel if you guys want to go check her channel out. I'm sure she'll do videos on these as well. She does, I think she's doing a lot of videos on these style containers alone at the moment. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Smush the bell notification icon. And hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!